Hello everyone. Here we come up with next part on important question of paper number 7 of CIPCC, that is strategic management. This video is made after analyzing the past year papers, revision test papers and mock test papers. Friends, I hope that you have already done your full course of strategic management before watching this video. These questions have more chances of coming in exam than other questions, so prepare full course but put more emphasis on these questions. For watching important questions, watch video till end. One thing more, those who are watching this video can also watch our video on important questions of information technology and auditing and assurance and strategic management important questions of chapter 2, 3 and 5. The link of those videos are given in the description box. So here we start with our video. Firstly, starting with chapter 7, reaching strategic age, important questions are: question 1, what is BPR and its steps? Question 2, problems in BPR. It can be found on page number 7.9 of study material of strategic management. It's very important question. Question 3 is benchmarking process. Question 4 is 6 themes of Six Sigma. Question 5 is difference between TQM and traditional management practices. Next chapter, chapter 1, business environment, and its important questions are: question 1, objectives of business. It can be found on page number 1.3 of study material of SM. Special emphasis will be put on profitability. Question 2 is framework to understand environmental influence. It can be found on page number 1.5 of study material of SM. Question 3 is why environmental analysis or goals of environmental analysis. It can be found on page number 1.6 of study material of SM. Question 4 is characteristics of business environment. It can be found on page number 1.7 of study material of SM. Question 5 is relationship between organization and its environment. It can be found on page number 1.9 of study material of SM. Question 6 is environmental scanning. There are 4 points in this answer. It can be found on page number 1.13 of study material of SM. Question 7 is strategic responses to the environment. It can be found on page number 1.27 of study material of SM. Question 8, manifestation of globalization. It can be found on page number 1.23 of study material of SM. Question 9, different strategic approaches for globalization by the company. Its answer can be found in practice manual as question 5, and its approaches are multi-domestic strategy, global strategy, transitional strategy. Next chapter is chapter 4, strategic planning, and its important question are: question 1, stages of corporate strategy formulation implementation process. There are only 5 points in this answer. It can be found on page number 4.3 of study material of SM. Question 2 is short note on balanced scorecard approach and strategic intent. Now from Michael Porter strategies given on page number 4.12, whole chapter is important. In this, put more emphasis on topics, danger, signs of turnaround strategy given on page number 4.25 of study material of SM. Second topic to be emphasis on types of mergers given on page number 4.27 of study material of SM. Last but not the least, chapter 6, strategic implementation and control, and its important questions are: question 1, network structure and matrix structure. In matrix structure, emphasis on phases of Doris and Lawrence is important. Second question is value chain analysis. Third question is leadership roles. There are 5 points in this answer. It can be found on page number 6.28 of study material of SM. Question 4 is strategic leadership. There are 5 points in this answer. Question 7 is strategic change. In strategic change, there are 2 topics: steps to initiate strategic change, and second is Kurt-Lewin change process. Put more emphasis on Kurt-Lewin change process as it is important from exam point of view. After doing all these important questions, go through the basic concepts given in practice manual of all the chapters and revise them. So friends, here we end up with the last part of important questions of strategic management for May 2017 attempt. I hope these videos are helpful to you in your exam preparation. If you like the video, please hit the like button and remain connected with us by subscribing our channel. And if you want to suggest some improvements in our video, please let us know by leaving a comment in comment box. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also take the benefit. One more thing, those who are watching this video can also watch our videos on important questions of information technology and auditing and assurance and strategic management important questions of chapter 2, 3, 5 as they are helpful in scoring exemption. The link of those videos are given in the description box. We are coming with some more videos, so stay connected with us. Thank you. Bye bye.